Hey, I'm Justin Workman. I build automations and integrations using Power Automate. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a user to a group based on the responses to a Microsoft form. Now, as you can see, I have the form over here on my right, and on the left I have the flow, and I'll go through that flow quickly. First, after the trigger, we're going to get the response details. This ID is just going to be the ID of the submission of this form. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to initialize this variable. It's going to be a type of array, and it's going to be the output of this question 3, what group do you need to be a member of? This is actually a multi-select, which is going to output an array, but it's going to be a string when it comes in through the response details. And so we're going to convert that using the JSON function in this expression. We're going to convert that string array to an actual array that Power Automate can use and parse and iterate over. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to list the groups in my M365 tenant. And then next I'm going to do an apply to each, and I'm going to iterate over the groups that I captured in this question and then added to this variable. And then I'm going to do a filter array, and I'm going to use the output of the list groups action, and I'm going to do a match or a filter query on the display name of that group is equal to the current item, which again is the group name that's coming through our apply to each. So I'm saying, is the display name of a group equal to the group that was selected essentially in this question? And then the output of that is going to be another array. So this is the output of that filter array. I'm going to take the first element of that, and then when I get the first element of that, I'm going to take its ID. And so that's going to be the ID that I need of the group that I want to add the user to. And then I'm going to use the responder's email. Again, this is just coming from the response to this form. I'm going to use that as the UPN, adding that user to that group. So if we go ahead and submit this, my user is Donald Marshall. And I will show you that he is not a member of the sales and marketing group currently, nor is he a member of the US sales group, but those are the groups that I have selected. So when I submit that form and we go over here back to Power Automate, we check our execution, we can see that that executed 3 seconds ago. If we go back to sales and marketing, do a quick refresh, we can see Donald Marshall was added. Again, go to US sales, do a quick refresh, and we can see that he was also added to US sales. So we were able to add a user to multiple groups based off of a single form submission. Thanks for watching.